Hello ho ho, and yeah, welcome to another episode of Python and another episode of Matplotlib. And yeah, in our last videos we focused on line graphs and scatter, but in all it were linear functions or at least continuous functions. Okay, first let's define a list that we call values equals 1, 5, 6, or now 4, 1. And then let's do plt point bar values and plt point show. And now if we click on 1, we get an exception because we are missing the height, which just means he kind of interpreted the first values as the x-axis. So we meant that we wanted the bar values to be 1, 5, 4, 1. So let's add something like names equals John, Michael, Ed, and Bob. Now let's type in names, comma, and values, and there we go. On the right bottom you can see the bars. If we add an h to the bar function, just bar h, which means bar horizontal, pretty simple. Now our bars are horizontal, and like in our previous videos we can edit the width pretty easily. Let's do some thinner bars again after running. Okay. The width argument won't be working like that if we have a horizontal bar, but now we did it just for a common graph. So we didn't know that either, because usually I never worked with horizontal bars. Okay, I just found out for horizontal bars we can just use height. So if we have bar h, we can use height 0.2, and we get the same result for horizontal bars. And the default value for height is 0.8, so they are a little bit bigger if you are deciding for 1, except they are that big that there is no gap between our bars. Okay, now let's get back to our usual bars. What we can also do, of course, like in other graphs, we can change the color to, for example, pink. Here we go. And we can align the bars. Now the name is in the middle, or the names are in the middle. We can put them to the edge, or not with a color. Let's stay pink. And a line can be put to edge. And if you want the bar beginning with the name and not in the middle of the bar. Okay, one last thing. Let's do an example. For example, we have our we have ways like 87, 89, 90, and 91. And the difference between these bars is pretty low, but we still wanna show the difference clearly, or more clearly. We can say bottom equals 85, and now of course in that case we should get the right values. I'm a little bit stupid today. 5 and 6. And now if you look at the bars, you can see there's a main difference, because John is 78 and Bob is 91. And of course, for the values, you shouldn't use common values, but the values minus the bottom. Yeah, and with that in mind, I'm finished for today's videos and lead you to the outtakes because there were some. And yeah, see you, bye bye. Hello ho ho, and welcome to another episode of Python, and welcome back to another episode of Matplot. Oh god. Hello, whoa, and yeah, welcome back to another episode of Python and another one of. Hello, ho, ho, and yeah, welcome back to another episode of Math.